Yes, even you know how we do. All about love. It's all about your bones and no more bullshit. You will need no other truth thereafter this. Your bones came before everything and are everything. Mental health. Articular capsule. Okay, let's break that one down. Articular on etymology. Ibit relates to Arthur and an artifact. So you are ancient and very important. That's art, articular, and Arthur. Well, it is our Father who ibit art in heaven is your bone in your Bible. Now review. You have King Arthur is the son, yes, and he had 12 knights. Arthur, your art bone, 12 knights. Review relates to you. Because your Christ, of course, has 12 apostles. We know this, okay. And you have 12 ibit cranial nerves in your brain. Wow. Now, back to your awesome bone. Your articular capsule. Okay. Now, that is Augustus Caesar, yes or no? This Roman person who whooped ass and killed people, stole your bones. Now, damn it, your capsule, right, relates to a lot of cool things. A membranous sac, even is Sam, son of Sam, the killer, right? And you have box case chest again for your BC or your CBC. That is your Uncle Damn Sam, yes or no? The army? Okay. Now, get his name in there. The U.S., huh? United States? No, we are divided. Now, Army, interestingly enough, is your Ibit Mary in your Bible. It's a female name, you militant alpha males that rape women. You better watch yourself. Samael is Mars, Uncle Sam. That's astrology. And Mars is a real thing over your head and is a blood-like color. As your CBC radio, Ibit, remember your bones, shows you that you're all about your bones. Takes you back to your capsule bone, and box case chest is CBC, or your big black COCK in porn. Wow, Jay. Man. Back to your bones. Where am I now? I think I'm going to do also your humerus, but your articular capsulare, am I still there? Well, it relates to a bowman capsule. Yeah, a bowman, a fighting man with a bow. So transgender issues, how, dude? A man and a woman with this bone is a damn male bowman? Okay, review. You live in a sagittal and coronal plane. Kronos is Saturn and coronal your eye. Sagittal is Sagittarius ruled by Jupiter. Hello. That is J and C, coronal and Jesus and Christ. You better wake your ass up. Because sagittal plane is Sagittarius in a damn arrow. And you find this in astrology, a man on a horse or a woman with an arrow. So you must use your words wise. You're here at war for some reason. Your epic adventures of Gilgamesh comes from Guru Gamesu. It also means an archer. That's Sumeria. That came before Mahabharata. And here is your epic Ibit Gilgamesh. Was founded in 1300 and 1000 BC. And it was founded by this name, Nineveh Hormuzd Rassam in 185. My name, JHE, and Pythagoras is 185, JHE. Look it up. Now, that's pretty cool. Because your Mahabharata also came before your Bible, like your Gilgamesh archer. And Arjuna, even in your Mahabharata, was famous for his or her archery. You have an arch in your damn foot. Wow. Now I'm going to break down your humerus bone, I believe. Now, your humerus relates to a lot of things. Humerus is, of course, funny. Ha 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 ha. Okay. Now, funny is your humerus, yes or no? And it is your infrared fur that you wear. You have funny farm, damn it. You have a funny bone, Facebook Federal Bureau, and it was a circus stage clown. That is Santa Clarita in diet. Are you kidding me? Wow. Now, your jesters, when you research it, if the jester or the circus clown was not funny, then the king would have to behead him if he had a bad day. He was beheaded. Look, your jesters, they had to be funny, or the king beheaded them. Are you funny today? You better know how to tell a joke, damn it. Now, Jove is interesting. Is Zeus and Jupiter, a star system. And you find jovial and journalism. Wow, jovial means to be funny. So you better know your jokes. Woo! Back to your humerus, I believe, and your awesome bones. Now, well, your bicep, damn it. What does your bicep relate to? Your bicep is bice. Bison, bice, buffalo. Now, bice is a pale blue color. Are you kidding me? You have toroidal fields, Taurus, that are red and blue rainbows around the earth. Shame on you scientists. Taurus, I am a Taurus. Notice it's in blue. It's a bull. And what's a Democrat, Republican, red and blue, Crips and Bloods, red and blue? You sing the blues music. Hi, Blues Clues. is your cuboid bone in your damn foot. That's the rainbow you get. So that blue color made your bones. You better get hip to nature and stop ignoring her, or when you die, even she'll ignore you and you'll reincarnate. Damn, Jay. Humerus bone, I believe. Now, or where am I? I don't even know. Let's see. I'm back to your bicep, damn it. Your bicep or your brachio. Oh, pardon me. Yes, this is cool. You have let me see here, a biceps brachii. B.B. King and B.B. Gunn. And yeah, B.B. King was a blues singer. Hi, Bible is two B's. Now, brachio, like your bicep, what does it relate to? It relates to mreghu. Go to etymology. I'm going to blow your mind. Haha. Mreghu is Merry Christmas and Mozarab. Okay, much love to my Middle East. I'm sorry my tax dollars bomb you because Mozarab, your bone, is in Arab or in a simulated Christian in Moorish Spain. Whoa! And it means an Arab. And it's also you. So Christians, stop watching CNN and Arabs. Stop hating and only following impulse because your bones are saying that you're all Arabs. I teach ballet. What is an Arab? Irit, Basque, and French. So you were the problem, really, not the Illuminati, not your ex-lovers, not your disease, not the money you didn't make, the opportunity you missed. Your information is here 24 hours a day for you to teach people because ignorance is the biggest cancer today. Not the shape of the earth, not astrology only, ignorance. Go to etymology, go to these professors, go to these mosques and these churches and pull out your phone and the anatomy and you show them and they will sweat. And they will have to think about being one and getting organized like your Rothschild family that you all hate called the Illuminati, but it's your evil twin and they do the work, we don't. And please donate, I'll decode your name like this. And if you don't do this work, my people, you will end up bombing people with your tax dollars in third world countries that you think are all terrorists. You'll be racist, homophobic, gender issues, you'll be broke, and then rich, and then black and white. And you are the problem, not the Illuminati, if you don't do this work. Share this one. Damn it, it was fire. Get your name decoded by me real quick. Much love.